I call this one negative space diamonds. And why do I do that? Because I see a diamond shape in each one. So let's say this is the black diamond. Just the opposite is its negative space. And if you see the print diamond, well then the black is its negative space. I love this. Listen, if you're a beginner, this one is for you. This is the simplest, easiest quilt block that we might have ever done here. So let me show you quickly how to do that. If you can make a half square triangle like that, you are in business. So these are small, they're 2.5 inches square, but you can make them any size you like, all right? So I've made a few of them. I like to use black as one of the colors of this because it stands out so much and it makes your pattern and the colors you're using, they just pop much better. So look, with half square triangles, I'm just going to make that version and I'm going to make its opposite. So all you have is a diamond in the center made out of your print and a diamond in the center made out of your black. You know, sew these together like this in twos and fold them over. You, my friends, have the makings of this entire quilt block. Again, very beginner friendly. Let me get these out of the way. Very beginner friendly quilt block, negative space diamonds. I hope you'll give it a try and happy sewing.